I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I very much became a press-on girl since 2020, maybe 2021, because I wasn't really into press-ons for a long time. But then I found these are BT Art Box nails. I want to tell you, whew, they have not only saved me, because I use a whole pack. They come in a pack with several inside, and it's like 30 of them. When I tell you this is the second time I bought it since July. Like, one set lasts me a whole month, and yes, it does take time for me to do them, but every time I do them and it lasts that long, I'm like, period, because I want nails to last long, I want them to be press-on, and I want them to be perfect. The one thing I love about nail salons is that, like, you get pampered, and I love that experience. But at some point I started realizing, like, it wasn't up to my standards, so why not do it myself? And when I found these, I actually found these through my girl Blake on Instagram, and ever since then I was hooked. It was such a great recommendation. And I was doing my nails today, and I said, you know what, I need to stop overthinking about posting on YouTube. I'm gonna just show you guys how I do my press-ons and make them last for literally a whole month. Okay, a whole month, and they don't break, nothing. And trust me, I'm a mom, so I know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? All right, roll the clip. Let's get into what we need. So all of these items are going to be linked in my LTK. I actually got my nail drill from Shein because, I mean, they had a whole pack that came with like a UV light and everything. The BT Art Box nails, I get them from Amazon, and I got another pack of nail files and everything. So I have a little nail kit that I keep at home. The first thing I do is always trim my nails. I have pretty short nails because I get my nails done quite often, but there's nothing really wrong with my real nails. I just love the look of the press-ons, and I also really just love the look of getting my nails done. But usually, because my nails snag on stuff and all that, I always want to make sure that it's really well shaped, so that way when I do the press-on nails, it's really good. The thing with press-ons is it's all about prep. The better you prep your nails, the longer it lasts. So take your time doing this. And honestly, I've done this several times. This is actually the first time that I'm using the same press-ons. You always want to push your cuticles back because you want to make sure that the nail is directly on top of your nail. It's gonna take you a while to get it, but like I said, I've been doing press-ons now for almost 2 years, and I've just gotten better over time, and I've noticed that this method is what makes my press-ons last for a month. Now, after they're done with that, you have to use a nail drill. Even if you don't have a nail drill, you can use the nail files like the ones I got on Amazon, and make sure that you basically buff off the top coat of your nail. That is going to help you to kind of make the nail kind of stay on longer. So that's always going to be great. Now, look at this. Beautiful. They're matte when they come, so they look better when you have a top coat over them. But you basically want to figure out how to put them on. I have this nail glue. I'll put another nail glue in the description. This nail glue, I actually had a little bit of a learning curve using it because I had to cure it as well as push it down and then hold it to the light. If you have one of the lights that are like the nail salon lights that have like the little gooseneck, it will work better. But these I definitely had a learning curve, so I'll see how long they last, but they should last almost exactly the same because of the UV light. Now, after I'm done, before I put the top coat on, I want to make sure that all my shape and everything is perfect. After I'm done with all the filing and everything, I want to make sure that now is the top coat. I actually just started using this Beetles top coat. I got it from Amazon as well. And I put one coat and then cure. I cure my thumbs first, and then I cure all the rest of my nails. Now, I am somebody who basically washes things. I'm always doing something. And for these to last so long, and even for me making a whole video about it, yeah, this is just because I genuinely love them, and I hope it helps somebody else who's looking for an inexpensive way to do their nails by themselves. And this is also a great way, like if you're going out and you are in between nail sets, this is also a great way to go. These are so cute. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.